Welcome to Garden Dreams. At Garden Dreams, we believe that every garden can become a personal paradise. Mediterranean Gravel Garden Secrets 2026 Small Backyard Makeover. There's something undeniably magical about Mediterranean gardens. A quiet elegance, a sense of calm, a space that feels both effortless and timeless. But here's the secret most people don't realize: you don't need a sprawling villa in the south of Europe to achieve this look. Even the smallest backyard can be transformed into a Mediterranean-inspired escape, with one surprisingly powerful element: gravel. In today's video, we're uncovering the secrets behind a 2026 small backyard makeover, where simplicity meets sophistication, and every detail works in harmony. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the foundation of this transformation: gravel. Unlike traditional lawns that demand constant maintenance, gravel creates a breathable, natural surface that feels organic and relaxed. But this isn't just about spreading stones across your yard. The key is choosing the right tone: soft beige, warm sand, or muted ivory shades that reflect sunlight beautifully. This instantly brightens the space and creates that signature Mediterranean glow. And here's the trick: pair fine gravel with larger stepping stones to guide movement through the garden. It creates rhythm, structure, and a subtle sense of journey. Now, let's layer in texture. Mediterranean gardens are never flat or one-dimensional. They're rich with contrast, rough and smooth, soft and structured. Think terracotta pots with a slightly weathered finish, natural stone walls, and wooden elements that feel sun-kissed over time. Even in a small backyard, these textures create depth and visual interest without overwhelming the space. Less clutter, more intention. Next comes greenery, arguably the soul of the entire design. But instead of lush, high-maintenance plants, Mediterranean gardens thrive on drought-tolerant beauty. Olive trees, lavender, rosemary, and ornamental grasses are perfect choices for 2026. They're not only practical, they bring fragrance, movement, and a calming palette of silvery greens. And here's a design secret: group plants in clusters rather than spreading them out evenly. This creates a more natural, organic feel, like the landscape evolved on its own. Now let's talk about color. Mediterranean style is known for its restraint. Instead of bold, overpowering tones, you'll see a palette built on neutrals, warm whites, sandy beiges, soft grays. And then, just a hint of contrast. Maybe it's a deep blue ceramic pot, a faded green shutter, or a single statement cushion on an outdoor bench. In 2026, this quiet luxury approach is everything. It's not about showing more, it's about choosing better. Speaking of seating, even the smallest backyard deserves a place to pause. A simple built-in bench, a pair of wooden chairs, or even a low stone ledge can become a beautiful focal point. Add linen cushions in neutral tones, and suddenly, the space feels inviting, lived in, and personal. This is where the Mediterranean philosophy truly shines, creating spaces meant to be enjoyed, not just admired. Lighting is another often overlooked detail. As the sun sets, the garden should transform. Soft, warm lighting, like lanterns, wall sconces, or subtle ground lights, adds a golden glow that enhances textures and shadows. It's not about brightness, it's about atmosphere. Think slow evenings, gentle breezes, and a space that feels almost cinematic. Finally, let's talk about what not to do. Avoid overdesigning. Mediterranean gardens are never rigid or overly styled. They embrace imperfection. A slightly uneven stone, a pot that ages over time, gravel that shifts naturally underfoot. These are not flaws, they're part of the charm. So, what's the real secret behind a Mediterranean gravel garden? It's not just the materials, or the plants, or even the layout. It's the feeling. A balance between simplicity and warmth, between nature and design, between beauty and ease. And in 2026, that balance is exactly what modern living needs. If you've been dreaming of transforming your small backyard into a peaceful escape, this might be your sign to start. Because sometimes, the most beautiful spaces are the simplest ones. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you try a Mediterranean gravel garden in your own home? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next design story.